our 64-liter countertop gelato ice cream batch machine. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a total of 19 inches in length, a depth of 17.25 inches, and overall height, standing on legs, at least 24.5 inches. Measurements for the top of the bowl to pour in your ingredients to make your gelato and ice cream. We have at least 7 inches in length. The main plate is held in by 4 rivets, 2 in the top and 2 in the bottom. By twisting and unlocking each rivet, you can remove the main faceplate. That way you can clean the insides and the remnants of the ice cream and gelato. And the bottom, held in by 2 additional smaller rivets that can remove the smaller plate. So that way, in order for you to clean the access inside the machine, the smaller plate must be removed first in order to unlock the 4 rivets to remove the bigger plate in the back. Coming to the right is your function control, your 110/120 voltage connection plug, and the technical data showing the electrical specifications for this gelato machine. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.